go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.
කොහොමත් 6000 ගාණක් එනවා. අපිට මේ දෙකම හම්බුණා අපිට 3100 ගාණට හම්බුණා. බලමු මේ සෙල්සියස් බ්‍රෑන්ඩ් එක කොහමද